Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, an outdoor enthusiast, or just looking to capture your next vacation, an action camera is an invaluable tool. In this video, we'll share our top 5 picks. From surfing to snowboarding, from mountain biking to skydiving, we'll show how these cameras perform when they're pushed to their limits. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Insta360 GO 2, a sleek and stylish camera that's incredibly lightweight, weighing only 1 ounce. Thanks to its compact size and in-the-box accessories like the magnet pendant, easy clip, and pivot stand, you can easily mount it to pretty much anything. The GO 2 comes with a case that does more than just charge your camera. It acts as a controller from a distance of up to 33 feet away, a tripod, and a grip. Charging the camera takes only half an hour and provides up to 2.5 hours of shooting time. Insta360's signature flow state stabilization guarantees smooth and steady footage even in shaky or bumpy terrain. And with the added horizon lock feature, you can be sure that your shots will remain level no matter how the camera's moved or rotated. Thanks to its waterproof design, you could take the GO 2 with you on all your aquatic adventures, knowing that it can withstand depths of up to 13 feet. The Aquavision feature, when activated, will automatically balance out colors and reduce the blue haze that often plagues underwater shots. However, despite its impressive features, the GO 2 has a few drawbacks. Its small size means that it can't accommodate a micro SD card, so you'll be limited to the 32 GB of internal storage. Additionally, composing shots without the help of a preview screen can be challenging, although this can be remedied by using the companion app to preview shots on a smartphone or tablet. The GO 2 is capable of recording 120 frames per second at 1080p and 50 frames per second at 1440p. It's worth noting that it lacks the 4K resolution that other cameras on our list offer. That being said, if your main concerns are design, size, and portability over the need for 4K, then the Insta360 GO 2 is a great option. At number 4, we have the DJI Osmo Action 3, a little gadget that's compact and loaded with features. At only 5.1 ounces, it's lightweight and portable. What sets this camera apart is its remarkable waterproof capability of up to 52 feet underwater without a case. This makes it perfect for capturing amazing shots while swimming, surfing, or scuba diving. With its super wide 155 degrees field of view, more of the scene can be captured in the shot. Thanks to its dual touchscreen display, composed of a 1.4-inch front screen and a 2.25-inch rear screen, previewing and reviewing your shots is a breeze. Storage-wise, the camera supports micro SD cards up to 256 GB. The Osmo Action 3 offers a range of video recording options, including 4K. It also comes equipped with a 4x digital zoom for photos and 2 to 4x for videos, depending on the frame rate and specific stabilization features used. Speaking of stabilization, the Osmo Action 3 has several options. Rock Steady is recommended for first-person perspective shooting. Horizon Steady keeps footage horizontally leveled even over heavy bumps and 360-degree rotations, and Horizon Balancing can correct the tilt horizontally within 45 degrees. Coming in at number 3, we have the GoPro HERO 10. GoPro's been a dominant force in the action camera market for years, and with the HERO 10, they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with this type of device. One of the most noteworthy features is its updated GP2 processor, which allows for higher frame rates and more speed. The camera can shoot 240 frames per second at 1080p, 120 frames per second at 4K, and 60 frames per second at 5.3K. This, combined with the advanced video stabilization and horizon leveling up to 45 degrees, make it an excellent choice for POV action shots. Rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet, the HERO 10's perfect for outdoor activities and extreme sports. The water-repellent lens cover ensures that water droplets don't ruin shots when using the camera in wet environments. It can also shoot 23-megapixel photos and offers 4 options for output, including HDR and RAW. With this camera, you'll never be torn between snapping a photo or recording a video. You could just start shooting video at 5.3K, and later, when going through your footage, you'll be able to pull frame grabs at an impressive 19.6 megapixels. When it comes to editing footage, the GoPro Quick app makes it easy to access and manage all your favorite shots in one place, allowing you to trim, color, crop, and adjust video speed with a tap. The camera comes with the same battery as the HERO 9, providing enough power to run the camera for approximately 45 minutes when recording at 5.3K, or up to 1 hour at 4K. At the second spot on our list, we have the Insta360 One RS Twin Edition, which offers a unique modular design that allows it to transform from a traditional action camera to a 360 camera. The 4K boost lens allows you to capture 60 frames per second videos and 48 megapixel photos with excellent detail and color, while the 5.7K 360 lens allows you to shoot from all angles, then choose what to focus on later. The camera's flow state stabilization guarantees smooth footage, regardless of which lens you use, and the horizon lock helps you take perfectly level shots, no matter how much you tilt the camera. Built for action, the One RS is waterproof up to 16 feet, making it ideal for water sports and underwater adventures. The processor in the RS core has been improved for better performance and enables faster Wi-Fi transfers to your smartphone. The battery life should last around 1 hour when recording at its maximum resolution. The companion app provides powerful editing tools at your fingertips, like the Snap Wizard, which allows you to reframe your videos with the turn of your phone or the swipe of a finger. With Shot Lab, you can shoot awesome effects with the help of AI, including cloning, hyperlapses, barrel rolls, and stop motion. All you need to do is import your 360 footage, choose an effect, and you're done. One of the drawbacks of the One RS is the small 1.5-inch display, which can make it challenging to preview shots. Another point to consider is that the video quality and slow motion capabilities of the GoPro HERO 10 are superior. However, if you're looking for the most versatile action camera, then the Insta360 One RS is the best option. And finally, at number 1, we have none other than the GoPro HERO 11, the latest addition to GoPro's acclaimed lineup of action cameras. While the HERO 11 retains the same design and video specs of its predecessor, it incorporates several improvements that might make it a worthwhile upgrade for some users. The new taller sensor, with its 8:7 aspect ratio, makes it easy to crop for both landscape and vertical. The ability to shoot once and pull a 16:9 video out for YouTube and a 9:16 version for TikTok's a real time saver for content creators. On top of being able to shoot 5.3K 60 frames per second video, the HERO 11 can also capture 27 megapixel still images and has the ability to extract 24.7 megapixel high-resolution photos from the recorded video. The HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization is another improvement over previous models. It provides incredibly smooth footage, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving action. The Horizon Lock, which keeps the shots level, is also a built-in part of the HyperSmooth 5.0. Another exciting new feature is the 10-bit color, which can record and display significantly more colors than 8-bit, resulting in vivid detail, smoother gradations, and more realism. This also gives you more flexibility when color grading footage in post-production, making your videos look more professional and eye-catching. Durability is a key aspect of any action camera, and the HERO 11 doesn't disappoint. It can withstand drops and impacts, and it's waterproof up to 33 feet. Plus, the water-repelling lens cover keeps your shots clear, even in the wettest conditions. Battery life has also been improved, and can now extend recording times by up to 38%. All in all, the GoPro HERO 11 is the ultimate action camera, with unbeatable image quality and stabilization. It's no wonder it takes the top spot on our list. And there you have it, folks. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful. Thanks for watching.